All right, guys, this is Kelly from Hills, Deals, and Wheels Mobile Home Investing Course, and today we're actually moving a mobile home, and I will give you video footage of that right quick. That's the mobile home, guys. This is actually a 2-bedroom, 1-bath FEMA mobile home, and the movers are putting the axles and the tires on, disconnecting the utilities in order that we move this particular mobile home. So our main reason for moving the mobile home is because the lot rent here is getting really ridiculous. They're wanting $850 for lot rent, guys. And by the time the tenant pays us, we're not making too much of a profit on this particular mobile home. So that's why we're moving the mobile home. So it costs roughly about $5,000 to move the mobile home, guys. I got my little brother here in the back seat with me. You can see him there. Anyway, it costs about $5,000 to move this particular mobile home. So we're removing it. We're going to save on lot rent roughly about $285. That's our main reason for moving this particular mobile home. And then Section 8 is booming where we plan on moving the mobile home. We can get a Section 8 tenant very quickly in the other area that we're trying to move it to. For this mobile home with Section 8, we could roughly get anywhere between $1,400 to $1,500 a month. So we're going to get our money back quickly, especially when we're trying to get a deposit from the Section 8 tenant as well as the first month's rent. We're going to get our $5,000 back very quickly. And so we like dealing with Section 8 because that is guaranteed money. That's another reason why we're moving this particular mobile home. Not saying that in this particular park you cannot get Section 8, but Section 8 just is not booming here like it is in the park that we're going to try to move it to. So I'm just going to show you guys a quick video and you let me know what you think. If you're interested in mobile home investing, give me a call at 800-974-5580 and I will show you how to mobile home invest. This is Kelly from Hills, Deals, and Wheels Mobile Home Investing Course, available on Vimeo. We can do a quick one-on-one 30-minute Zoom if you're interested in learning how to be a mobile home investor. Contact me at 800-974-5580 and I will show you how to wholesale mobile homes, how to rent out mobile homes, how to sell or finance mobile homes, how to move mobile homes. Contact me at 800-974-5580. All right, guys. I'll talk to y'all soon.